Alright guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing today. I ordered an e-meter from Pasadena, California on eBay. And originally it was like $500. It was just about $500 plus like 80 something for shipping. But I was able to talk them down like about 40% down, so we're 40% off.
She's been really excited about this.
So
that looks fancy.
Ooh, it's huge. Alright.
It's legit, isn't it? We get this box out of the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Big ass suitcase. Oh, you have to leave that out. I don't know if it's upside down or not.
It was upside down. Need help?
Alright.
Wow, fancy.
Look at that. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to plug it in and I want to see if it works. Oh my god, this is like surreal. I want to see if this thing works. So I believe we plug it in, we're gonna move that to on. Let me see, is there a stand on here? There we go.
That's a fancy thing right there.
Yeah. What we want to happen is we want the needle to move, like shoot all the way to the right. So, oh.
Don't know where it's at? She
know.
just opened this, so this is like all brand new.
All
Does
right.
it feel nice?
Yeah, it feels good.
It does, doesn't it?
Here, let's see if it's charged.
Let's
Ready?
See. What a bummer.
So I brought the e-meter to my dad's house and it's not actually broken. I think I just didn't plug it in all the way. So we're going to redo this demonstration here. And this time it's going to work. I still have a lot to learn. Louis Repetto told me all the books and stuff that I need. And the first one was Fundamentals of Thought, which I watched the book to film because it was just, I tried to listen to the audiobook, it was really boring. And then next we're going to read Understanding the E-Meter because I want to learn how to like do this like right. I want to be the perfect auditor. Alright, now here is the reveal that I wanted. Ta-da! It works! So, make sure you subscribe for e-meter videos coming soon. And, yeah. Thanks for watching.